Hello my good peeps and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed these beautiful laminate floors and got rid of this ugly old yellow flooring that was already in the house when I bought it. So if you're interested in these type of videos, please stay tuned. Alright, so first I'm going to take this crowbar. I'm going to use that to pull up all of the old flooring. This was actually one of the easiest parts in the project. Everything came up really easy. I noticed a lot of the flooring was nailed down, so I'm just using the other end of the crowbar to kind of pop those nails out. But this is like really vindicating. It just feels so great getting all that up. And it's a little bit of debris left over, so I'm going to use my shop vac and vacuum all of that up. And fortunately, the floors already had an underlayment, so I didn't have to go out and purchase that. I'm just going to reuse the underlayment that is already there. It's looking really nice, really clean. This is all the flooring that I pulled up, and this is the new floor that's going down. It's American Heritage. I got this from Lowe's. It was on sale for $15, and I bought about 5 of them, and it's in the style Florian Oak. So I'm going to go into the dining room. Well, I should have told you I'm going to be working on my dining room. These are lock and click type 4, so I'm just kind of putting it at maybe a 45-degree angle and pushing it down, and it locks in place. And when I get to an end piece, I take the part of it that has the lip and I'm flipping the board over, and you'll see how I do that in just a second. So I flipped it, and I'm going to be drawing a line on the part of the wood that needs to be cut, and the cut in always goes against the wall because it no longer has that click part, the lock and click part on it, but you'll see that shortly. So I'm just drawing my line. I'm going to go into my laminate wood cutter, and I'm going to be cutting these really, really crisp. So you see the line I have right there? Flawless. Okay. So here's the laminate wood cutter, and I just push down ever so slightly and it cuts it. And it's nice and crisp, no splinters or anything like that. And I lock it in on one side, and there it is. Nice and easy, really simple. And this is about 3 boards, and I can already see my vision coming to life. And for my project, I'm going to be staggering the pieces of laminate wood. And you see here, I'm not starting at the end of the wall. I'm starting in between 2 pieces I already had laid down, clicking those in place. And I'm just going to follow the line. And I hope this is really making sense to you all. This is my first time ever doing flooring, and it was actually one of the easiest projects because I do a lot of projects, and with it being a lock and click type floor, it just made everything go really fast, really smooth. And it's really hard to mess something up like this unless you're just messing up your cuts. But I didn't do a lot of measuring. I did like a lot of rough measurement, just try to see what really fit in the space. And you saw how I did it a moment ago, how I just kind of pressed it up against the area I wanted and just strike the line. But here I am clicking in some more. I think I'm on my 2nd or 3rd pack of flooring, and I'm going to show you a close-up of the tapping block. So you see there's a gap there. I'm going to use the tapping block to seal that in because you don't want to be scraping your foot up against that when you're walking on the floor. So just a few gentle taps with your mallet and tapping block, and there you have a nice seamless finish. All right, so here I have used, I want to say it was about 4 packs of the laminate flooring, and I'm almost done. I'm in the home stretch. I really see my vision coming to life, and I'm just loving the way it looks in the space, and I can't wait to put the furniture back in there. So this is a slender piece that I had to cut and slide in between the wall and one of the floorings. I did not want to take the floor molding off, so this really helped. The tapping really helped to get that piece in nice and snug. And here I cut another piece. This is the last piece that's going to be in this room, and I'm just tapping that in place. And I'm going to do the living room later. I just wanted to get this room done first because it's the smallest. And I cut another piece. This is my very last piece. I was so happy. This project took me about 4 hours to do. And here we are, the completed flooring project. I'm so happy, so excited. I love the look of it. If you all enjoyed the video, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with all your family and friends. I love you all. I hope you take care, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.